Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Circle K application on your iPhone. Circle K is a convenience store chain with locations around the world. In order to download the app, first of all, launch Open your App Store and then go to the search box at the top and type in Circle K and search. Once you come across this application, which has this typical logo up here, simply tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and you will then be able to access the application in just a matter of seconds. So that is how you can easily download Circle K application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.